ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।
Hello, you are watching A1 News TV and I am Megha. Let's have a look on our special story.
A two-day meet was held in online and hybrid mode via Zoom video conferencing during the last week of February 2021. It was a two-day mega event, ICICC 2021, where around 900 submission of papers were received from 20 different countries, and after a rigorous double peer review process, a total of 208 papers were accepted for publication with an acceptance ratio of only 23%. All the papers have been presented in these 2 days by many active researchers, practitioners, academicians, research scholars, and industrial experts. All the accepted papers will be published in the Springer series on Advance in Intelligent System and Computing, that is called AISC series, indexed in Scopus, Web of Science, and many more. The conference also promotes all the eminent researchers worldwide through the International Universal Innovators Leadership Award, that is UILA 2021. Thousands of nominations were received in several categories. A total of 35 researchers have been appreciated and awarded with the prestigious UILA Award, UILA 2021 awards. Event started with the lamp lighting and Saraswati Vandana, followed by the address from conveners Dr. Sameer Anand, SSCBS, Delhi, and Dr. Ashish Khanna, Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, Delhi, followed by the address from Chief Guest Professor Dr. K.K. Agrawal, Chairman, National Board of Accreditation, followed by the address from Guest of Honor Suresh Jain, National Secretary, Bharat Vikas Parishad, followed by from the Journal Chairs Professor Valentina E. Bellis, ARAD University, Romania, Dr. Prabhat Kumar, NIT Patna, and Professor Siddharth Bhattacharya, Christ University, India, followed by the address from the Deputy Chair, Professor Suresh Kant Verma, NIT Patna, followed by an address from respected Principal of SSCBS, Dr. Poonam Verma, followed by the address from the Chairperson from Professor Kavita Sharma, Governing Body, SSCBS. And the inauguration has been ended by the vote of thanks from Dr. Deepa Gupta, Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, Delhi.
I am Dr. Deepa Gupta. I am acting as a convener in this conference, ICICC 2021. ICICC is an international event where the researchers from all over the world will have participated in this conference. It is in its fourth version, and along with this international conference, we are also promote the research activities by introducing an international award, Universal Innovator Leadership Awards, in which we have received many nominations, and many high reputed researchers has been awarded the international awards.
ICICC 2021 would like to give special thanks to Moolchand Sharma, co-convener, and Gulshan Srivastava, convener, for their invaluable guidance and organization skills, which helped make this event a grand success.
Myself, Moolchand Sharma, acting as a co-convener in the International Conference on Innovative Computing and Communication. We have received around 800 number of papers, from which 208 papers has been selected, which is the 23% of the acceptance ratio, and which is going to be published in the AISC Springer Scopus Index series. Apart from that, one international workshop is going to be organized, and the organizers are from Malaysia, Turkey, and Iran, and in which we have accepted 05 papers. And apart from that, we have Universal Innovator Leadership Award. We have received number of applications, and we have shortlisted around 37 number of awards in individual and that is outstanding award category. So I would like to thank all the organizers, speakers, authors, presenters who are with us.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gurjeet from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So I am one of the organizing member of this conference, and this conference is the third international conference in Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. And one of the USP of this conference is that we have speakers from varied countries. We have Mr. Ananda Bose, who is the editor of Springer. Then we have Professor Anu Agarwal, who is keynote speaker from University of Delhi, and then we have speaker from UK and many more. Then we have that the conference, the papers that are accepted in conference, they are double peer reviewed, and after that they are being published in Springer and Scopus in Text Journal. So we hope it benefits to you all.
I am Dr. Mona Verma from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. We have organized this 4th international conference on innovative computing and communications. This is the 3rd chapter we are organizing with this international conference, and we have received 900 papers, and after vigorous peer-reviewed process, we have accepted 208 papers approximately, and the acceptance rate is 23% approximately. So the motive of this conference is to explore the innovative research among the researchers and the academicians, and we have also involved the industrialists. The motive is to expand the computer science, because in this COVID time we all are relying on the computer science only, online teaching, online promotion of all the things. So we have decided to have this conference in the computer science area, and through this conference we are just exploring the way how the computer science and data analysis, artificial intelligence are giving us the future promotions of the concepts. Thank you.
मैं डॉक्टर अजय जायसवाल, कन्वीनर ऑफ दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस, दिस इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस. जैसा कि बाकी लोग भी बता चुके हैं कि ये 4th टाइम है हम ये कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं ICICC. पिछले 2 साल से हम यूनिवर्सल इनोवेटर से जुड़े हुए हैं और 2 साल से हम ये कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं. पिछले साल जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल कॉन्फ्रेंस रही थी, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने मिल के यूनिवर्सल इनोवेटर के लोग और हमारे कॉलेज के जो भी और इस टीम में जुड़े हुए हैं ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने के लिए, हम लोगों ने प्लान किया कि हमें ये कॉन्फ्रेंस दोबारा करनी चाहिए, अपने ही कॉलेज में करनी चाहिए. बट वही है कि पिछले 1 साल जो है वो पेंडेमिक रहा, तो उससे हमको भी काफ़ी चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ा टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस. और हम इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को बिकॉज ऑफ पेंडेमिक ही जो है हाइब्रिड मोड में कर रहे हैं. कुछ पार्ट ऑनलाइन है, कुछ पार्ट ऑफलाइन हो रहा है, लेकिन जिस तरह से हमें पेपर रिसीव हुए हैं इस साल, ये पिछले साल से भी ज़्यादा हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस इज़ अ ग्रेट सक्सेस एंड वी विश दैट वी कंटिन्यू टू डू द सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन.
ICICC has been supported by SRGE, Scientific Research Group, Egypt, CETIT, Science and Technology of Image and Telecommunications, Tunisia, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and Digital India, SGRT, Scientific Group of Research and Technology, Publication Partner, Springer, Elsewhere, Wiley, MDPI, and IndusScience. This year, renowned speakers from various parts of the world marked their presence to make this event successful. On day 1, Professor Oscar Castillo, Tijuana Institute of Technology, Mexico, Professor Anuj Agrawal, University of Delhi. On day 2, Dr. Om Pal, Scientific CRND, Dr. Syed Ali Mir Jalili, Torrens University, Australia, Dr. Buddha Chandra Kundarakpam, Research Associate, Montreal Neurological University, McGill University, Canada, Dr. Ahmad Zoba, Leader in Electronic and Power Engineering, Brunel University, London, UK, and Dr. Salma A. Mustafa, University Tun Hussein on Malaysia, UTHM, Malaysia, mark their presence and make this conference informative and insightful.
Myself, Dr. Amrina Kausar. I am the head of the Department of Management Studies at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Delhi University. And our college is organizing this third international conference on innovative computing and innovation. So this conference is really a good platform for all the academicians and practitioners who are working on innovative computing ideas. And I believe that a very good number of papers which are here and the speakers who are going to talk about this is going to give new ideas to all the researchers across the globe for this innovative computing ideas, and this is going to be a landmark, or you can say a beginning for the new researchers for think on this line and just collaborate across the globe. And this Shahid Sukhdev College, as the host college, is hosting this, and I am organizing chair of this conference. This conference will go for 2 days. It started today and will go till tomorrow, and many good speakers, they're going to join with us on this platform. This is an online platform on which they'll be joining and will be deliberating on the new ideas on innovative computing, and I just wish it is going to be a real good success.
Actually, the Universal Innovator is one of the brainchild of ours. And in the Universal Innovator is basically dealing with the international conferences, webinars, startup funding, and award ceremonies, research conferences, international patents, and into multiple domains. Basically, Universal Innovator is organizing the ICICC conference. ICICC conference is into the 4th year into the running right now. This ICICC is being held at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, and in this particular conference we have received around more than 910 papers, and out of that only 210 papers have been accepted with an acceptance ratio of 23%. So from 20 countries we have received the papers from around from all over the world. Around 2,500 researchers have sent the paper, and this conference has made its mark in the research world now. And we were blessed that we were joined by Professor K.K. Agarwal, and who is an NBA chairman, and we also got the blessings of Shri Suresh Jain ji, who is our guest of honor from Bharat Vikas Parishad, and he is the national organizing secretary of Bharat Vikas Parishad. We are really thankful to the Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, NIT Patna.
I am Dr. Gulshan Srivastava, a faculty from Sarda University. I am a convener of this conference. I am convener from the last 3 years, and we are organizing this conference with the collaboration with the 3 different universities from the different region, NIT Patna and Shahid Sukhdev College from the University of Delhi and the University from the Spain. And overall we got the 900 plus paper around near about, and we are basically accepted out of them more than 200, and this is the very good acceptance ratio, that is 25% acceptance ratio from the last. We are performing this 25% from the last 3 years, and I hope that this will continue for the future also. Thank you.
An international workshop on sustainable heterogeneous energy aware system for next generation device and networks has also been organized during ICICC. Several papers have been presented by international researchers from Iraq, Turkey and Mexico. This conference series have happened in Europe and India both. This is the unique initiative in which startups also have been promoted in previous version of the conference.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more updates, keep on A1 News TV.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।